Welcome back to my channel. The Ford Mustang Raptor 2025 is one of the boldest moves Ford has ever made, blending the muscle car legacy of the Mustang with the rugged toughness of the Raptor brand. On the outside, this machine looks like no other Mustang before it. It sits higher off the ground with a lifted suspension that immediately signals its off-road capability. The widened fenders are filled with chunky all-terrain tires, giving it an aggressive and commanding stance. The front end is redesigned with the tough-looking grille, proudly carrying the Raptor name, flanked by signature LED headlights. Skid plates and protective cladding ensure that the Mustang Raptor is more than just for show up, it's ready for real off-road punishment. At the back, you'll notice a high-clearance bumper, dual exhaust outlets, and a rugged diffuser, all while keeping Mustang's iconic fastback profile alive. It's a car that looks equally at home on the highway and tearing through dirt trails. Step inside, and Ford has designed an interior that strikes a balance between sporty comfort and rugged practicality. The seats are reinforced, upholstered with a mix of leather and durable fabrics, giving both support for fast driving and resilience against outdoor adventures. Raptor stitching and accents across the cabin set it apart from other Mustangs. The digital instrument cluster has been tuned specifically for off-road performance, providing data like pitch, roll, and suspension travel. The large infotainment system includes trail maps, wireless smartphone connectivity, and Ford's latest sync interface. The cabin offers more practicality too, with added storage and foldable rear seats to accommodate gear for long trips. While it still feels like a Mustang at heart, the Raptor treatment makes it versatile enough for both urban driving and wild explorations. Under the hood, the 2025 Mustang Raptor is expected to pack serious performance. Early reports suggest a twin-turbocharged V6 or a hybrid-assisted V8, delivering power figures in the range of 500 to 600 horsepower. Unlike the rear-wheel drive setup of traditional Mustangs, the Raptor uses an advanced all-wheel drive system, ensuring traction on mud, sand, and snow. Power is managed through a 10-speed automatic transmission that's been tested in Ford's toughest trucks. The suspension system is a highlight, featuring long travel shocks and adaptive dampers inspired by Baja racing technology, allowing it to soak up rough terrain while maintaining control at high speeds. Multiple drive modes let you switch instantly between street, sport, and off-road settings, optimizing performance for every environment. Strong brakes, a reinforced chassis, and upgraded cooling systems guarantee durability during extreme adventures. With its blend of muscle car styling, Raptor toughness, and off-road capability, the Ford Mustang Raptor 2025 isn't just a new model up, it's a whole new category of performance vehicle, redefining what a Mustang can be.